up, you guys? It's your girl. It's your girl Bree, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. How you doing? My name is Bree. Y'all know this, and we are here today to come with y'all with another vlogmas. As y'all can tell, we in the house. You know, I had some crackers I've been watching for y'all, but we finna basically go out and vlog. So y'all just gonna be coming with us today. So without further ado, before we get started with this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on our social medias, leave a video comment in the comment section down below, and always make sure your notification bell is on so you won't miss the next vlogmas. So excuse me. With that being said, let's get into the vlog. Next thing I'm finna do is take my little car, y'all, to the car vacuum place and just kind of like vacuum it out, clean it and stuff like that. And yeah, that's really what I'm finna do. So I just had to show y'all. There's my little car. Y'all let me know if y'all wanted like an update car tour or something like that, you know, just to let y'all know. And yeah. But with that being said, that's what we finna do. I'm waiting on Hakeem to come out, and then we're gonna go in and wash my car and stuff. Then we gotta pick my sister up from school, get some food, all types of stuff like that, Christmas shop. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. This should be a good vlog.
Baby, play them keys.
Y'all look.
So y'all, basically what I'm doing is going in with a wet wipe. I'm wiping down the sides of my car, the seats, everything, because it's COVID-19, y'all. People in your car, make sure you wiping down for the coronavirus. You
No, we just want to be clean.
Okay, but still coronavirus too. But yeah, I do want to be clean. So yeah, I'm just wiping down. Hakeem really was helping me vacuum. He did a pretty good job. I'm gonna show y'all the car after it's done, so y'all can see the whole little car tour.
We're gonna look and make it look like we just bought it from the dealership.
Period. But yeah, I'm just wiping down. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned, keep wiping, and subscribe. Okay, so you guys, now that we have finally cleaned the inside of the car, we're gonna back it up. Back it up. And clean the outside. So,
Make sure you watch outside. Make sure you watch the outside.
I got this. I can drive.
Okay.
I can drive, baby. Look at that, perfect. No bad there. Okay, so now we finna clean the outside of the car, so y'all keep watching, stay tuned. Okay, so you guys, here, let me take a little thumbnail. So here's him cleaning my car. He just bring it down. I just got out to basically show y'all, you know, the outside, and you know, just to get out of town. I'm trying to get better footage and vlog more stuff, y'all. So I guess y'all, they got music playing out here though, like. But look at my baby, y'all. Getting all washed and clean. My car really cute though. I really feel like, you know, do something with it because it's really cute. But this person looking at me because I'm vlogging, but I really like. This is why, like, being used to get good footage, because I used to be scared of what people gotta say about how they be looking at me while I'm vlogging. But now I just really don't care, so it just is what it is, because this is what I do. So yeah. So yeah, look at my little stuff. Look at her throwing up and stuff. Why is it throwing up?
Need more quarter.
Huh?
Need more quarter.
Okay. I'm finna go get some more quarters so we can wash the car. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned for the car vlog at the end of this video. Watch that baby so good. Watch my baby so good. Hey. So good. Hey. Bye, I need to stop. But thumbnail.
Look at her. Look. Cause we don't know how to clean the car. I told him to drive. I told him he need to hire me to get your car clean.
Huh?
I told him he need to hire me to get your car clean.
Yeah, y'all.
Look
Y'all
at
already,
skin. Look at the girl.
y'all already know what it is.
It's like crazy.
Come on, let's go get my seats back so low. But y'all, we have now washed the car and cleaned the inside. We have not wiped it down like with the dryer thing or whatever. But we'll get to doing that. We had to be on the way to get my sister like at this moment. We kind of running a little late because we got overboard while I was vlogging and cleaning at the same time. So that's what it is. But yeah, we on the way to get her now. The light taking entirely too long. But I guess I'll just let y'all take a little glimpse at our city or whatever while we ride, and we'll get back with y'all when Ty's in the car. Guys, we have now arrived at home and got Ty.
Look at him.
Please, look, can't stop
Cuddy hold
blushing.
it
That girl don't know how to act, but here's Ty. Let's see. Ooh, let me see that ring. Oh, let me see that. Oh, that ain't mine. Cause I know you be stealing. So,
made a finger too.
girl, but who
You
gave you
need the
that?
ring
Who
finger,
gave you
not the
that
ring
ring, Ty?
Me? I bought it.
Well, this do we look like y'all? Not at all. Like, yeah. So, yeah, we just came up here to tell y'all we got time for school. A mess. And now we finna get, oh, this how outfit. Ooh.
Don't do that.
I don't need her with the waist trainer.
But anyway, yeah, we just got home. Yeah, time from school. We finna drive the car and stuff. I got a person coming to pick up an outfit from me from here. So, yeah, if you haven't already, shop breezeboutiqueboutique.com. Period. And get your outfits. Cause yeah. So I'm finna do that. Once we get done doing that, we'll be on to the next thing. And yeah, so y'all stay tuned and keep watching. Yeah. So guys, now that we back, I'm finna really just show y'all my quick little car vlog. I ain't gonna go too in depth in case y'all want me to do a separate video for that. So yeah. Alright, these are some of my outfits that I am selling. Little sweaters, dresses, and another sweater. So yeah, y'all get with me. Here's my IG. And yeah, business card. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all get with me for your outfits. But that's that. So here's the car. He's doing a little wiping down, so I'm just show y'all from the front. So first things first, here's the front of my car. I have a Ford Taurus 2009. I got my car when I was 15 years old, and yeah, it is currently paid off. I paid it off recent this year, and yeah, that was a big accomplishment. So yeah, here's the little cars he wiping down and stuff. Let me just show y'all a quick view of the inside. So when you first come in my car, you know you got the little lock switch, my little change, and all my little lock the windows and lock and unlock. The little door handle. Hold on, I can't hear. You have the little thing that control my windows. Over here we got the stuff for my lights and you know my trunk, all that type of stuff, air vents. All here like the gas and all that type of stuff is up here. Then here's my seat. I got the seat cover and the steering wheel cover, the seat covers, and the mats from where we got them from? AutoZone.
Yeah. One of the other ones, AutoZone.
Yeah, one of them.
Yeah, they call it.
So yeah, here we go. We still looking. So then you got that seat cover, the little all that stuff from his feet, y'all. Hakeem, look what you did.
Let's get about it.
I don't know, but you gotta get it. Here's the little stuff with my radio and everything, and my charger, y'all. Here's the back, just nice and simple. My normal seats are like leather tan, as you can see, and then I have like a brown and black thing going up here. My little mask and stuff, my mounts for I use for my car vlogs, and that's basically everything of my car. So you guys, we have now left my house and came to the mall. We're gonna walk in TJ Maxx at this moment. I'm probably gonna look around in more than TJ Maxx in a couple stores, just like for Christmas gifts or something, in case I need to just get some last minute stuff out the way. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So y'all just kind of watch us shop or whatever we finna get. He coming to get some hoodies because he feel
like I got the same hoodie.
He feel like he be wearing the same hoodies 24/7, so he trying to get some more.
And I do really.
So that's that, y'all. Y'all, I'm tired, but this stand back. This what he look like. He trying on jackets. See what you look like? Turn around and say something on the back. I guess. But yeah, we over here. I'm finna just phone up. Oh, I'm shut up, boy. But yeah, we just vlogging with the vlog. Thumbnail.
Like caught stealing.
No. Bye. So yeah, we got some stuff in here. He got some gifts that he getting for his people. I really went Christmas shopping most of the time, y'all. I mean, did my Christmas shopping like really by myself, to be honest. But yeah, y'all look at these little baby cars. They're so cute. I love kids. What you smelling it for? All I hear is breathe. What is it? Let me see. Yeah. But yeah, y'all vlogging with the vlog. It's music playing. I forgot. D-Next.
Trying to take something. Just tell everybody you farted and stuff.
Shut up. What you like? Start getting the camera out my face so much.
Can't take her in no type of stuff. She do TikTok dance when she wake up.
I'm moving too fast. Stop there on the dash. Why is everything so cool? Cash. He's still in. I said that to the camera. Look at the camera. He's still in.
Yeah. She don't know it.
Boy, you got the camera back. Turn it right. Turn the camera right.
She said, turn it right.
Turn the camera the right way. Y'all, no, listen, we back from Captain. Do y'all think we should play this on the channel, on the couples channel? The couples game, we don't know what it is. A couples game says how will it be written to your partner? Do you think that you know them better than you know, than you? 250 questions, 30 answer sheets.
No, you there for the
Ooh.
Okay, we're supposed to open it.
I don't know what that means. I'm trying to see what's together.
Look at all this shit, yeah. I thought it said cheese it. I said conflict. I can't read for sure. That's a 50% soda. Look, they got taco beef.
Brain racers. Two lies and a truth. Double gas. Okay. Okay, so y'all, as y'all can tell, we are now leaving the mall. Y'all can see it back there a little bit. I'm trying to get out now, but we just got done. We got a little stuff. I kind of like finished up Christmas shopping. He kind of like started basically. So that's really what it is. We finna head back to his house now and get some stuff. You wanna get in? So yeah, we finna head back to his house now, and basically I just came in here to end the vlog. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on our social medias and leave a video comment in the comment section down below. Also, make sure your notification bell is on so you can stay tuned for all the upcoming VLOGMAS videos. And